How to belong. A step-by-step guide to belonging in a group of people. 1. Observe. Look at what they do. Look at what they have. Look at what they have that you don't. 2. Look at you. Look at what you do. Look at what you have. Look at what you're missing. 3. Copy what they do. Buy what they have. Oh, but you don't have money? Then make up a reason, or steal. That works too. 4. Talk to them, but make sure that your voice sounds like theirs. Get used to the flow of conversation. Follow it. 5. Laugh at their jokes. What if they're not funny? What if now your own laughter grates at the back of your throat? Laugh at them anyway. Laugh until your laughter slips through you easily as if you've done it for a long, long time. 6. Go where they go. Follow them. To the park, to the restaurant, to the bar. 7. Do what they do. If they play on the playground, if they skateboard on the roads, if they drink beer and wine, if they smoke cigarettes. You don't want to? Didn't you want to fit in? Slide into their routines, copy their actions. This is the only way. 8. Is it working? No, you have to stick with it. No matter how little you seem to fit in, keep going. Mold yourself to become like them. Mold yourself to become them. 9. Be them. Embody them. You are them. 10. Don't look back. I can see you looking back. Don't. After all, you worked so hard. After all, you wanted to be here. After all, you wanted to belong with them. What did you say? You say that you don't feel like yourself anymore. You say you've lost yourself and become someone else. But of course, that's the price. Everyone has to give something to belong, don't they?